Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Bryce Kirkpatrick. I'm the turf director here at Real Turf Solutions. And today I want to kind of do a little Tuesday tip over the irrigation system in your yard, or if you don't have irrigation, just being able to get outside and run that water hose and get some water on that grass. As all you know, we live in Georgia, the Middle Georgia area, and temperatures always reach anywhere between the low 90s to high 90s, and of course with that heat index, some days it feels over 100 degrees outside. And I know if you go outside, you know it's real hot, and so you got to think what that's doing to your turf. I know everybody kind of this time of year always goes, well, it rained last week or it rained yesterday, and that's all fine and everything, unless you know exactly how much rain's falling and how much rain has fallen in those time periods. It's always good to make sure your irrigation system's up and running and putting that water where it needs to go, which is to the turf grass and as well as your plants around your landscape. So you want to make sure this time of year we always pretty much recommend everybody waters deep but infrequent. So what I mean by that is you want to make sure you water for a longer period of time but for less times in a row. So you want to give that water a chance to kind of actually get down in the soil where it needs to be, so those roots of those turf and the roots of those plants can actually reach down and grab that moisture. Because if you water every day for 10-15 minutes, that's just not good enough, because what tends to happen a lot of times is that water kind of stands on top and those roots from your turf or roots from your plant material kind of stays mid-soil level, and the problem with that is then it can cause issues of unhealthy turf, unhealthy plants. So the best thing to do is turf zones. I recommend anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes of turf zone, and then your spray zone, which typically are around your foundation of your home, or you may have some out inside the yard, which typically waters your shrubs and tree areas. Usually those between 15 and 20 minutes are perfect, because those spray heads are designed to put out more volume of water in a smaller area anyways. So just be sure to make sure that irrigation system's on and running properly. And if you ever have any questions, need any help with that irrigation system, just give us a call here at 478-988-0043. We'll be glad to come out and take a look at it and get you set up, make sure that turf is looking healthy and those bush and plants around your house are all well as also. Thank you.